In industry, every second counts. Unexpected downtime, quality failures, and reactive decisions cost time and money. But what if your operation could predict the problem and act before it happens? CorValent presents CorGrid, a platform that connects machines, processes, and people through intelligent analytics systems. Smart sensors and cameras monitor everything: motor vibration, pressure, temperature, production counters, and energy consumption in real time. A complete ecosystem to turn data into automated, intelligent decisions. Computer vision cameras inspect every step of the process, instantly detecting deviations and faults. When something goes off spec, CorGrid sends intelligent alerts via email, message, and WhatsApp, enabling the maintenance or quality team to act at the right moment. It's the technology that anticipates problems and keeps production flowing without interruptions. The platform continuously analyzes the behavior of machines and processes, learning from every operation. Based on the collected data, CorGrid predicts motor failures, optimizes production cycles, and keeps efficiency at peak levels, all in a proactive, connected, and easy-to-operate way. The result? A smarter, more efficient, and more reliable industry. Reduce unplanned downtime by up to 70%, increase efficiency by 40%, and ensure total quality with fast, data-driven decisions. CorGrid is the ally that transforms your shop floor into an autonomous, predictable environment. CorValent, evolving industry intelligence